I'm back. Did you miss me? What a glorious day. Got 85 degrees, sunny. We're in Inwood, New York. We are at a dental office. Steven is bringing up the tool bag, the Vito Pro Pack Tech XL tool bag. XL. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the ladder. And we're working on this Goodman system. Customers complain. Well, the doctors complain. Wow, the doctor is calling the doctor. The doctor's calling the doctor. The doctor downstairs, down there, is saying it's blowing warm air. So I came up here. The unit was not running. I turned off the power to the disconnect. We got this Goodman 2.5 ton R22 system. Steven's going to take this panel off real quick. I got to tell you, that condenser fan motor is pretty damn hot, but it's also in the sun. But we're going to see what's doing in that electrical compartment. There's these two. 1, 2, 3. And this one's not even on anyway. Boom, boom. We're going to see how fugazi this stuff looks. I forgot my gloves, but I got my mask. Oh, Steven's got my back. Let's see what's doing when he takes off door number 1. Take off this stupid mask. I'm outside. Boom! There it is! Boom! There it is! Look at that! Damn, that thing's swollen like a... Oh, I can't say that. I was gonna say swollen like a girl's when she's all excited. Yep. So let me not say that. Steven's taking a look at the size of that dual capacitor. 35.5. Steven's gonna get a 35.5. I'm gonna be a good role model, hold the ladder for him. Even though if I was here by myself, no one's holding the ladder for me. But
I got it.
No, but you know, safety first. I'm just sitting here doing nothing anyway. Look at it. You got some smoke coming from that vent stack right there. Look at that. So while he's looking for that, we're not here for the rest of this. There's a bodega here in the corner. They got a rooftop package unit here. That's blowing. Gas fired. We got this PVC vent piping that's not connected. Go figure. We got a Fujitsu single zone. It's probably a 24, 30. It's off. We've got a refrigeration unit over here. Again, like to be observant what I see, what's going on around town. But we're here for this Goodman 2.5 ton R22 condenser. It's got a swollen capacitor. While he's getting that, I am going to discharge this capacitor. We're going to take something metal, something insulated. We're going to touch the top of all the contacts like this. Now, normally the capacitors are self-discharging. They'll discharge relatively quick, usually within seconds. And out of all of my years of experience, you know, only one time when I touched it did it actually go bzz. Yeah? Only one time. That was it. One time. One time. Just one time. All right. The brown, which is here, that is fan. We're going to take a peek and make sure that does say fan. That says fan. So the brown is fan. Damn, that thing's rusted on there like... Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh, it just cracked. We need a new spade connector. We got one in the plastic case with the crimpers. We'll crimp the new one on there. You can tell this machine's been getting annual PM. So we're going to put our wire into there like that. Take our Klein crimpers. Shout out to Klein. Make great tools. We're going to crimp the fan wire to the new capacitor to fan like such. The yellow wire is going to be our Herm. How do I know that? Good guess. I can always refer to the wiring schematic, which is right there. But we'll just scratch this off, look for Herm. That says Herm. Take off the yellow wire. 2 yellow wires, like such. I might as well secure this now. Remember, when you're doing this, guys, don't touch the contactor, the 24 volts, otherwise you'll be going up in that attic, changing that fuse. You don't want to be changing that fuse when it's 100 degrees outside. No you don't. And make sure when you put them in, they're nice and snug. Like this one could be a little extra on it. So we're just gonna crimp that down just a little bit, just like a C hair. Boom, and now we have our common. We got a purple wire. We got 2 red wires. Put that one there. Get in there. Voila. And I guess what I'm going to do, we're going to flip this on. And we got nothing. We got nothing. Absolutely nothing. Because our contactor is not calling. Don't! Let's see. Look at that. It's like magic. It's like effing magic. Ladies and gentlemen, it is magic. We're going to go down to the thermostat, set that to cool, and give that doctor, give him some coldness. Give him some coldness. And I'm going to be like, show me the money. Show me the money. By the way, big shout out to all my lovely subscribers out there. We got 1,101 as of this morning. Love all of you. All right, let's go to the thermostat. Hope I'm entertaining you guys. Shh, we're hunting a wabbit. Shh. Oh, I gotta put the mask on. Damn it, 82. All right, mask off. 82 up in that bitch. Uh-oh. Side door's open. We're in the hood. Steven! Yeah. Left the side door open? Yeah. Okay. All right. No, I left it. Ooh. Is it running? Yeah. No. Not yet. Probably a delay? It's gonna be a delay. It better be a delay. I don't feel like going down that ladder, but I'm gonna go down that ladder again. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. If there's something else wrong with this thing, I'll turn these back on, but peace out.